Breaking news from Bethesda Travel. This is your newsman, Guido. The EU president announced this week that Europe will welcome vaccinated American travelers this summer. Speaking of Europe, last summer I had the chance to visit Rome and the charming village of Gandolfo, home to the 400-year-old Papal Palace, which is now a fantastic museum. Up until Francis, popes vacationed here in the summers to enjoy the lakeside setting. Did you see the movie The Two Popes? This is where it was filmed. From the terrace are spectacular views across the entire city of Rome. That's Rome in the distance, and a historical collection of pope-mobiles adorns the inner courtyard. Adjacent to the palace are the beautifully tended papal gardens. One of the former utility buildings in the heart of the gardens has been repurposed as a cooking school with our favorite chef Max, assisted by lovely Teresa. The day's menu was hand-rolled pasta called malfatti, not available at your local grocery store, and bolognese meat sauce. Wow, was it delicious! Such nice memories, and the EU announcement was the best news all week. We're so happy Europe is opening up, and at Bethesda Travel, are we ever ready to get going again? Give us a call, send an email. Ciao from Guido.